Hey guys, welcome back. We are at IKEA. We came to get some stuff, and I really like this desk for the boys. Let's see if you can see it. Say hi.
Hi. Hi. You like it? Let's show them the desk.
Oh yeah, let's show them the desk.
Here's a bench. And it looks like a marker thing covered. And there's a table. And it has this collar thing.
Yeah, that one is just trash.
It's like a...
Yeah. But yeah, we came to get some stuff. I'll show you guys that later, and
we can show you when we get home, guys, okay?
yeah, we can show you guys when we get home. The boys like this little bed. It's so cute. If we have a baby girl, then we can buy this for her when she's a little bit older. Okay?
Okay. Okay. Let's go.
You like that one, Eli?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get off. Don't put your shoes on the bed. Yep, let's start walking, guys.
Hey, look.
Yeah, look, the boys are liking these small little beds, and I like them too. I like these for them. But we just got them their bunk beds, so I don't know. We might switch them out, we might not. They're all excited for all their furniture.
Guys, look. I used to be a baby, but now I'm...
Yeah, that's for a baby. You're too big for that one.
Baby, try it.
Yeah, let him try it. I think it's more Eli size than yours.
Look, mommy. Look.
Wow, put your feet up. Put your feet up. There you go. Now rock back and forth. Show them. Rock back and forth. He really likes this one. You're gonna grow out of it so fast. Don't you think? Hey guys, so we just got back from IKEA. We're here at my mom's house, and I'm going to be installing the car seat in the car because we have a few weeks left for the baby to arrive, and I just want to make sure all the car seats are gonna fit. If not, I have to figure something out or get a bigger car. I don't know yet, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I'll see you guys when I'm installing the car seat.
Hi guys. Did you see me doing the peace sign and the thumbs up, and then you see me do this? You know what that means? That means to press the subscribe button. And if you're new to the channel, just put ring the bell.
Okay.
You get notifications.
Okay, we'll see you guys in a bit.
Bye. Can I build the bridge? Yeah.
So we're still here at my mom's house, and the boys are playing with some of the train tracks we bought at IKEA. Do you guys like your new tracks?
Yeah.
The bridge. And then they're probably gonna just stay here because we have a lot, so.
Mommy!
Yep.
Mommy, look!
Wow, that's a nice little crane you have.
Mommy?
Mommy. And I still haven't put the seats in the car, so I'm gonna go do that right now. In a few
Whoa!
minutes. Is that cool? But yeah, like I was saying, I'm gonna go put the seats finally in the car because it's getting dark outside and I need to get that done. So I'm right here, and I was thinking about putting all of the 3 car seats in, but you know what? It's gonna be too crowded. So I'm gonna take out Nathan's booster chair, and I'm gonna just let him sit in the middle. So this is what his looks like. Right there, that one. So I might be taking that one out. I don't know. I'm gonna put the chairs in first and see how they fit, and if they don't fit correctly, then I'm just gonna take Nathan's out. So right now I am installing the base for the baby's car seat, and then I'm going to install Eli's on the other side. I would have preferred for the seat of the baby to be in the middle, but yeah, it's not gonna work out like that. Okay, I need to pull it a little bit more so it can be nice and secure. So that's seat number 1 installed. So now I'm gonna go to the other side and install Eli's on that side. So I'm currently at Walmart trying to choose between what plastic container to get. So I'm debating between that clear one and then this one here. So I'm gonna see how big they are, and then I'm gonna check to see how much space I need for all the stuff that I have. So it turns out this one is $8.97 and this one is $14.98. The thing is, they're both the same size, so obviously I'm gonna go with the cheaper one, which is this one. So that's the one I'm gonna be getting, and hopefully everything fits in there. I'm back from getting the car washed and I just vacuumed it, so I need to wipe down like everything just so it won't be dusty in here. But I wanted to show you guys real quick how I ended up putting the car seat since I wasn't able to show you guys yesterday. So that's the baby's car seat there, and I had to put it in the opposite side because then it wasn't going to be able to fit next to that one. And then Nathan's going to be sitting there. Unfortunately, the two booster chairs that I did have did not fit. Nathan can barely put his hand in between to buckle himself, so I didn't want him to hurt his hand. So I'm gonna keep looking to see if there is another booster chair that is smaller than the ones that I have. But if not, then I'm just gonna have to have him sit there in the middle. I did want to get a bigger car. I wanted to get a SUV, so I'm gonna see if I can get a bigger car, but that would be in the future after the baby is born, because I don't want to rush into things and I don't even know when I'm going to have the baby, since I might be getting induced. So it all depends on what happens with the baby. If I do get another car, it's going to be most likely after the baby is born. I'm back at home and I took down the container that I bought and the rest of the things. I'm just going to show you guys real quick what I bought, and that would be it for the day because I need to get some other stuff done before the boys come back from their dad's house. So the first item that I bought is little baby cotton swabs. I bought some little baby bottles that I will most likely not need because I'm planning to breastfeed, but just in case I do get induced and my milk doesn't come in, then I'm going to be using formula. And then if my milk does come in, then I bought these little bottle storage containers for the milk so I can store it in the fridge. Next thing I bought was the Dove head to toe baby wash, and also the lotion, which is this one here. Let's see, I got the Aveeno baby wipes just in case I need to clean the baby's face or something. Diaper rash cream, and two of these. These are candles that I found, and these smell so good. The scent is pineapple lily and they smell so delicious. I was passing by the candles just to cut through all the people that were going through the main aisle, and I smelled them from far away and I was like, I need to find that candle. And chocolates, of course, because who doesn't love chocolate? And the last thing is this little thing. I don't know what to call it. Let me see. Oh, just as cover up, I guess, for when you're at the beach or when I'm just hanging out at home, because yeah, I don't like to be dressed when I'm at home, but with this I can cover up. And then the container that I showed you guys earlier, and that's pretty much it. I'm gonna start taking the stuff down. I don't know if you guys hadn't seen our tree, but that's our tree, and it's gonna be the last days that we're gonna have so much work coming along with the boys and I, and we will see you guys on our next video. Bye.